Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use vanilla gift card on eBay. So let's get into the video. So simply open up eBay, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so if you want to use your vanilla gift card here, so just try to make a purchase, add something to your cart. So for example, let me add an item to my cart. So I'll just hit on buy it now so that I can get to the checkout process. So I will show you how to use the vanilla gift card. So when you get to the checkout page here, so what you're going to do now, if you want to use your vanilla gift card, you can simply use your add new option here. So click on add new card option. So you can add your vanilla Visa card details here. So here on your card number and everything, add your vanilla Visa card details here, and then the name, whatever name that's on your card, and also the billing address. You can actually use the issuer's billing address or your home billing address, whatever that's registered on, and then you can simply apply all those information and hit on confirm and pay. So that's how you can use this card on eBay. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.